What's up guys? We're back here with another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have VZ101705. Now, this is our Dodge Charger rear diffuser. And whenever we ship this out to you, it does actually come in a box, but this is how we package it inside the box. Now let's go ahead and unwrap it and show you the finish on this diffuser. Now, this is also a matte black finish, which I think looks excellent for the rear diffuser. And if we look at the rear here, you'll be able to see how it's installed with all these plastic notches here. And each one of these clips will simply just snap into the bumper and lock it in place. And then from there, you can go ahead and secure the bottom of it with screws. Now, you don't need any hardware because you'll use the pre-existing hardware that comes with your original OEM rear diffuser. Now, we do have an install video up on our Vicrez YouTube if you want to go check it out. Now, for more videos like this, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more unboxing videos.